In this video we will discuss about how to iterate through the elements of a set. A set can be iterated using either a for loop or a while loop. For example, the set named setString contains 9 elements separate by comma. For loop is used as for I in setString. This means I will hold all the value of the set. The print statement prints the values in the set one by one until the end of the loop. Let's test the set iteration using a program. A set named setString is initialized with 5 values as A, B, C, D, and E. Let's add a for statement to iterate through the set. For statement is added as for x in setString : print x is added to print its values. When executed, we can see that all the set values have been printed. As sets are unordered, so the element can be printed in any order. Every time we execute the program, the output order might be different. We can also use the in and not in operators to check if an element is present in the set or not. Second print statement is added to check the occurrence of character B in the set. When executed, we can see that the value is returned as true as character B is present in the set. Third print statement is added to check the if character B1 is not present in the set. When executed, we can see that the value is returned as true as character B1 is not present in the set. Changing the value from B1 to character A and executing the program again. This time it prints the output as false as the character A is present in the set. These are some of the ways in which we can iterate through the elements of the set.